Hi, it's another great day in Coto de Caza, Orange County, California. I'm at our demonstration garden up here in our community. These beautiful rock purslines. Wow. So we have a new plant today, this guy here. He's a Silver Cassia, or Silver Leaf Cassia, Senna phyllodinea. He's a Fabaceae, member of the legume family, also known as a Senna artemisioides, variation periolares. Used to be called a Cassia artemisioides. He's native to Central Australia's inland plains and rocky soils. Out here in California, in America, you grow him in USDA zones 9 to 11. He loves to grow out here in Coto de Caza. We're in zone 10, Southern California, all the way out to Phoenix. This guy's described as a drought-tolerant, fast-growing evergreen shrub. We got another one over here. Gets about 3 to 6 feet high, 4 to 6 feet wide. Loves full sun, part shade, well-drained, sandy soils, low to moderate watering. If you give too much water, his branches and limbs, they start to get all leggy and thin. And he tolerates down to 22 degrees Fahrenheit. He does high winds quite well, high heat, and overall hot, dry locations. He seems to thrive rather well. So he's got no thorns, which is good news. He's got limber branches here and a main taproot, and the roots are nitrogen fixing, so you don't have to really give it any fertilizer. And his leaves here, well, they're not really leaves, they're phyllodes. They're extensions of the petioles. Look at a good one right here. And they're lance shaped and they're a little silvery. All right, I said they're phyllodes. That gives them his species name, phyllodinea. Wow. So he's a little different than our other Sennas you typically find with the more broad oval leaves. And his flowers, let's get a good flower here. Right here. All right. He's got these showy yellow flowers that form in clusters at the ends of these little stems here. And the flowers, oh, here's one here. You got 5 petals. They're about 3/4 of an inch wide, and they're great at attracting bees and butterflies. And the fruit, when he gets a fruit later on, is this dangly pea pod, and that might stay on for a couple months before it falls. Look at that guy, Silver Cassia. I got another one over here. Look at this century agave. Wow. We got one blooming over here too. See that guy coming up, big old stalk. Anyway, we got another one here. They're a little thin out here. It might be a little bit new, or maybe a little too much water, or we just cut them back a little bit. Anyway, still a great plant for your garden because he's so drought tolerant and resilient. And he gets all shrubby and tall and wide. Gives us these beautiful yellow flowers here. Look at that. Senna phyllodinea, Silver Cassia, or Silver Leaf Cassia. It's got these silver leaves here. Check that out. Anyway, hope you liked that video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.